every stock is not weighed the same. You shouldn't have the same expectation for every stock. So I'm going to give y'all some of my game. What I do is I break my stocks down into 3 categories. OGs, gangsters, and young bucks, right? So in the streets, you know the OGs, man, you know, they done been around for a long time. They really don't do too much. They word just law. You know what I'm saying? So that's your AT&Ts, your Cokes, your Disneys, you know, your Johnson & Johnson, right? They word law already. And then you got the gangsters, right? So we already know, like, a gangster, he's still putting in work. You know what I'm saying? He ain't OG level yet, but he's still gonna put in work. He's still gonna get grimy. But he more conscious of his decisions than what a young buck would be. You know what I'm saying?